Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. If you have been trading for a while and you've not been able to withdraw from the trading platform, or you've not been making consistent profit right from the trading platform, then you need to watch today's video to the very end, because in today's video I'll be sharing with you a simple strategy that can help you to trade boom and crash successfully and make a minimum of $50 per day. Okay, and it's going to come up with some plans so that you will understand how to go about it. So all you just need to do is just to stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the very end so that you will understand how to go about it. Okay, but before going fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. If you are new on this platform, feel free to browse through my channel, watch some of my video clips, and make sure you practice and perfect your skill first on your demo account before you try it out on your real account. Okay, this is this is the method we usually follow on this platform. We make sure that whatever strategy we share on this platform, every member follow through the process on the demo account first on the demo account first before going to the real account, because you just need to perfect your skill on the demo account before you can try it out with your real account. Okay, I know you are eager to make money, but you need to be patient enough to learn how to make the money. Okay guys, with that being said, if you have any question, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen. If you have any question about my trading videos, or probably you want to know more about my trading strategy, or maybe you like to know more about any of the trading tools, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I'll be dropping them in the description box below this video. And if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and also set the notification bell beside it to all notification. That is the only way you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this, which I usually do every day. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have for today. Okay, in order for you to trade successfully and make consistent profit from the trading platform, there are some things you need to put in place. Okay, if if others are doing it, even newbies that are just joining the system can follow through a simple process and make some money with it, okay, then definitely you should be able to do the same thing, only that you're getting some things wrong which you don't really know how to correct yourself. Okay, for you to this is a trading platform, and just like every other trading platform, even in the physical world, if you are trading, the main idea is to look for the best way to purchase your product at a reduced price, then sell at a higher price. Okay, so as you are buying, someone is selling, and as you are selling, someone is buying. So that is just the whole idea of it. Okay, just make sure that you are doing it in a way that will be profitable to you. But if you are doing it in a wrong way, then definitely you won't even make profit. Even in the physical world, that is in the physical market, you won't even make some profit on it. Okay, so that is where you guys are getting it wrong. Then there are some time that is when you consider the time at which you should trade, okay, the places to trade and things like that. Okay, these are the things that you should consider even in the physical world. So let's come to the online world where we have to trade the forex. Okay, so what are the things that we need to look out for? Remember, if you are trading even in the physical world, there are rules and regulations guiding every trade, and there are also trading tools that you can use to apply whenever you are trading. The same thing is applicable in the forex niche also. So you also need all these things in order to trade successfully, and there are also plans that should guide you in order to trade successfully. So quickly, in order for you to to achieve this result, as in making profit consistently every day and milking the market from the withdrawing from the trading platform every day, or probably every week, then definitely you need to do it in the right way. So how can we do this in the right way? So let's quickly go straight to this sheet. I have this sheet right here. I target my $50 per day tips. Okay, I highlighted some things here that you need to take note of, which are very important for you to achieve $50 trading tips. It all depends on your trading capital, your lot size, then your expected profit. All these are very important. But apart from all these three, there are some other things that are very important that you should take note of. Okay, so some of these things are what I will be highlighting in the what's it called, below right here. Okay, you need to take note of the trend of the markets, which is very important. You need, because you need to know the right time to go into the market and when you shouldn't be in the market. Okay, for how long should you stay in the market? All these are very important. So if you are not disciplined and if you are not patient enough, you won't be able to trade successfully in the forex niche. Okay, as juicy as the forex niche is, okay, it can also take away all your money from you if you are not very careful. So the trend is very important. Then you also need to take note of the S and R. Okay, the S and R, which is the support and resistance level. These are very important. Then you need to know your E and E, which is your entry point and your exit point. Okay, all these are very important. Then using the right lot size for your trading capital, using the right lot size is also important in milking the market. So in order to get all this done, then that means your trading tools will be very important. Trading tools will be amazing, so all these will help you to trade successfully. So what are the things we should look out for with the trading capital? With your trading capital, I usually okay, for those that don't really have money, but if you truly want to make money without any stress, without anything, at least you should. I'm going to be looking at $200 a minimum right here. Okay, I'm going to be looking at $200 to trade right here. Okay, so if you are using $200 to trade, and you will be able to trade successfully with peace of mind, and you will still be able to use a reasonable lot size, because what you are trying to do is to make $50 per day. Not that you cannot make it with $10. Okay, but that is on a rare cases. Okay, so and I won't advise you to just throw all your lots into the water like that without having a proper plan in order to achieve this. So all these are very important. So you need to be patient enough. We will be going into the aspect of being patient on the main chart whenever we are doing our analysis, so that you will understand how to go about it. And my reason for choosing $200, actually, I noticed that when I started trading, truly I started with this amount and I lost it, and I went for proper training outside the country. I had to look for people outside the country that can train me properly. So I got trained, and I also bought so many materials, and I came back and I started with $50, because you guys already know that. Okay, I started with $50. That is after the training. So I now started with $50. But let me tell you this, the fact is, it was very difficult for me to make a reasonable amount of money at that particular time. But because I was patient enough, and I was consistent in what I was doing, so I was getting the same result, and I was improving on it over and over, and with that I was able to grow it to a big amount of money. So it was as easy as that. But the issue is, it's not as easy as I have just explained to you. I realized that trading with $50 was a lot of issues for me, because I had to pass through a lot of emotional issues in order to trade it successfully. I had to be very disciplined. The same amount of time spent in order to make $1 while trading $50 with $50 trading capital was the same amount of time I spent, or I used, in trading with $1,000, which is also giving me like 5 or even times 10 of what $50 was giving me. In short, sometimes times 20 of what $50 was giving me. Okay, so this is very This is very reasonable. Okay, so I noticed that the higher the trading capital, the easier it becomes. You can ask any portfolio managing complaint or any trading complaint, they will tell you to come up with a big amount of money and you find it easy to trade. I'm not saying that if you're having a small trading capital you shouldn't trade. Of course you can start, but you need to be very patient. And don't worry, I'm going to throw a video on how you can do that. You just need to be very patient and you will achieve the same result. So just follow the same strategy. Even if you are not having up to $200, follow the same strategy and you will notice that you will achieve a reasonable result. Once your expected profit is not too huge, then definitely you will still achieve a reasonable profit at the end of the day. So let's say right here we okay, for $200, then you should use a reasonable lot size. You can use 0.2 lot size, sorry, you can use 0.2 lot size to help you to control the trade while you are going on. And you can even use it up to 0.5, sorry, 0.5 lot size. You can also use 0.5 lot size. Okay, so all these are reasonable lot size for $200, which you can use. But if you are still new in trading, I will advise you to stick with this, and you can even go lower than this. Okay, so I have explained in one of my video on how to reduce your lot size below 0.2, which is very reasonable. Expected trading profit, okay, expected daily profit. So your daily profits in most cases I usually advise that you shouldn't go more than 10% of your trading capital. So if you are doing 10% of your trading capital, that means you will be having $20, but we want to be achieving $50, and I'm going to show you how we can achieve this easily. So let's go straight to the trading platform so that you will understand how to go about it. Okay, so quickly let's go straight to okay I will be using this particular indicator called QDC Scraper indicator to do my analysis, and I have my reasons for using this because I can easily get everything that I'm looking for on this chart. With this indicator I can have my trends. I have three indicators showing me trends. The first one is this one on the main chart, the second one is this, but the first and the second one are for short periods, while the third one is this. Okay, so this is the third one and this is for a very long period. I love using this because it usually give me it usually give me notification ahead of time, so I love using it. So that is it. So and it usually goes for a very long time once it comes in. Okay, so this is what I want you to do. If you are having this indicator, then you can easily practice what I am explaining. If you are not having, you can still practice. So far you can identify the trend of the market and you can know your resistance and your support level, then you are good to go. Okay, because at your resistance level you should know that you should enter for a sell signal, and at your support level you should know that you should enter for a buy signal. So all these are very important, and of course you should all know that you should go for the signal. You should focus more on the signal that supports the trend. So once you know that the market is on downtrend, then you can just focus on the sell signal, and once it is on uptrend you can just focus on the buy signal. So that is how to go about it in case you are not having this setup. But if you are having good for you, then you can practice this with me. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right now. So this is Boom 1000. So what I want you to do is to have this setup on your 15-minute time frame. Okay, so turn your chart to 15-minute time frame. Once on 15-minute time frame, then what you should look out for is this trend. Okay, come down to this trend, wait for it to start. Like I said, you need to be very patient. If it is yet to change the direction of the market, you might not need to come in, or probably it changes it and you are waiting for the approval on the main chart, then you might not really need to come in until you get the right approval on the main chart. So that is where the patience comes in. Okay, but I'm making it look easy this time around because we have an indicator that tells us what we should do at the right time. Okay, to follow through with the indicator to understand the way it works
fully. Okay, so right here is where the trend is changing from uptrend to downtrend. But if you should check it out, at that point where it is telling us that we should be getting ready to come into the market, once you see this popping out, it does not mean you should jump into the trade immediately. Just wait for the sell arrow to pop out on the main chart. If the sell arrow is not popping out on the main chart, then you don't need to go into the trade. Just wait for it to pop out first. Okay, check out here, it pops out right here, and if you should notice, this is a resistance level, so definitely it is most likely that it goes down for a very long time. In short, more than most likely, because it is a verified resistance level. Okay, so that is just the way it works. So right here, all you need to do is to come in right here for a sell signal, and you can come in here and exit your market each time you have a blue arrow popping out. Remember, this is 15-minute time frame. Even if you are using 0.02 lot size, 15-minute time frame, then how many candles do we have here to this arrow? That is 7 candles. So you can do your calculations. Okay, 7 times 15. Okay, let's say we are earning 0.2 dollar per minute, which is 20 cents per minute, times 20 cents per minute. That is giving us $21. You can see that actually gave us $21. So just doing another one again. Okay, we wait for another sell signal. We got another sell signal. Doing another one again will give you about $50 straight away. But if you are going to go with the rule, okay, this actually gave us 8 candles again. So 8 times 0.2, sorry, 8 times 15, it should be 8 times 15 because it is 15-minute time frame times 15. That gave us 120 minutes. 120 minutes times 0.2, which is 20 cents. That gave us 24 minutes. You can see that you are already almost at $50 per day, which is what you are actually looking for. So if you should follow the rules set here, guys, you will notice that even from a single order, you would have gotten your $20 trading profit at that point. You will have gotten your $20 trading profit at that point. But check it out, in order for us to get $50, let's say you placed an order for that with this, and you go to boom 500, you did the same thing. You go to crash 500, you did the same thing. You go to crash 1000, you did the same thing. Adding everything together will even give you more than $50 in a day. Adding everything together, we give you more than $50 in a day. And we have some people that love trading boom 1000 alone, boom 1000, and crash 1000 alone, so they just focus on those two. So all you just need to do is just to place your sell order right here, close it on your blue arrow, and if you should check it out, if you are even using 0.5, like I said, you can use 0.5 now multiplied by let's say 108 minutes. So that is giving you $54. You can see that will actually give you $54, and you can even go easily, guys. You can go easily. You don't need to stress yourself. All you need to do is just to place your sell order right here, close it on this blue arrow. You can place another sell order right here and close it on this blue arrow again. So you can keep on doing that, and the most important aspect of this is consistent profit. Okay, you make consistent profit. So once you have achieved your daily target, your realistic daily target, then you close your trade for today. But because you can never say when the market will be reversing, and if you are still in the market when the market is reversing, or probably you will decide to go on your own without following what the chart is telling you or what the market is giving to you at that particular point, then you are most likely to lose your capital at that particular point. So all you just need to do is just to focus on your target. With that target, then you can easily make consistent profits without any issue. So you making within $20 to $50 per day is not a bad idea, most especially once you have a good trading indicator which you understand how it works. So and you have a good trading capital, you can just decide if you want to pick about 10% of your trading capital. I always advise 10% of your trading capital, which means if you are using $500, I don't feel $50 per day is too small for you to achieve. Okay, if you are earning $50 per day, then definitely you can multiply it by 30 days. If you think it is too small, that will be giving you $1,500 pure profits, not plus trading capital, pure profit. This is pure profit. You can add it to your trading capital, that will be giving you $2,000. Okay, and even if you decide to be going for $20 per day, okay, $20 per day, multiply that by 30, that will be giving you $600 pure profit, so which is amazing. So I don't think all days are too small for you to achieve. Number one, it will help you to make consistent profit. As you are making consistent profits, you are building more confidence in the market. Okay, you are building more confidence in yourself, and you are knowing your trading tools more and more, so you know what is happening in the market. You know if a certain thing should happen, then you know what you should do at that particular point, and you will know how to control a negative situation whenever it is happening. So all these will help you to build your trading capital. It will help you to have more income for yourself. You will be able to withdraw from the trading platform, then you will also learn more from the trading trading platform. So that is the way it works, and you will be able to withdraw from this platform each time you are trading. So I'll be stopping right there, guys. This is what I want you to do before our next video. I want you to have this set up on your chart, most especially on your demo account. If you have not used it before, practice the strategy which I have just explained to you. Okay, let me quickly give you an highlight of what a briefing of what you should do. So once you have this set up in your chart, set it to 15-minute time frame. Wait for this, for the signal, for the trend signal to pop up. Once it pops up, get ready to let's say it is giving you a red signal here. That means you should be getting ready to sell at that particular point. All you just need to do is just to wait for your red arrow to pop out here. Once it pops out, place your order and wait for the blue arrow to come out. So check it out if you are able to close your trade in profit or not. Okay, if the blue arrow comes out, close your trade, wait for another red arrow to come out to place another order again. So that is just the way it works, guys. So you guys will love this idea. I want you to practice it and share your results with me. And if you are doing it directly on your real account, probably you have been using this indicator before and you are used to it and you are already enjoying making profits with it, then even though I will still advise you to practice a little with this new strategy before you go on your real account. But if you go straight to your real account and practice with it, and try it out, then definitely I want to see your real result, because I love it when you make real money. I love it when you make real money. One of my students last week made over $1,000 pure profit, and I was really happy. I was really happy to see that, and he was able to withdraw. I asked him to withdraw from the trading platform, and he did. I love it when the students obey every rules and regulation. You don't just make profit and leave it on the trading platform. Make profit and withdraw a little for yourself. I know you want to grow your trading capital, but you also need money to spend. So while you are trading, while you are growing your trading capital, you should also learn to withdraw bit by bit in order for you to use, so that it won't look as if you are just trading and you are not, it's not showing on you. Okay, if you are doing something that is giving you money, then it should be showing on you. So that is what I want, that is what I love. Okay, so I wish you guys the best. Try it out and share your results with me. Okay, if you love my videos, kindly give me thumbs up and share with families and friends. And also, if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are displayed on the screen, and I will be dropping them in the description box below this video. And also, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.